Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Google Authenticator to Gateio. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Play Store, and in the search bar you need to simply search Google Authenticator. After that you need to download this application. Once you successfully download this application, after that you just need to open your Gateio application. Once you have logged into your Gateio account, after that you just need to simply click on the profile icon at the top left corner, and after that you need to click on the profile and settings at the top. Here you can see security option at the top, so you just need to tap on this security and scroll down. You will see Google Authenticator, so you just need to simply tap on this Google Authenticator, and here you can see in the second step there is a key, so you just need to copy this key, and after copying this key you just need to open your Google Authenticator. After opening, you just need to click on this plus icon the bottom right, and here you can see enter a setup key, so you just need to tap on this button and paste your key in the your key section, and after that write a code name for your Gateio code. So simply I'll add this Gateio and click on add. After adding, as you can see Gateio, after adding you need to open your Gateio application again, and in the third step you will see a 6-digit number will display, which changes every 30 seconds. Now you just need to send an email verification. Now you will receive a verification code on your email address. Copy this code and reopen Gateio and paste this code here. After that you just need to open your Google Authenticator again, and now paste your Gateio. Simply tap on this and copy it. After that paste your code here and click on enable Google Authenticator, and now you have successfully add your Google Authenticator to Gateio. That's it. Now you know how to add a Google Authenticator to Gateio. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.